I, Jaskirat Singh, had been coughing since last 8 months, and I consulted Dr. Deepak Choudhary, and I was under his treatment. And finally, Dr. Deepak Choudhary advised that I need to be hospitalized. So I got myself admitted in National Heart Institute, east of Kailash, New Delhi, on 4th of July, 2022. And asthma and acute bronchitis, pneumonia, sleep apnea, and Dr. Deepak Choudhary has been there and has treated me so well, and his doctors, Dr. Akshat and Narendra, were very efficient and very affectionate, and they took extra care of me. The food part, the food was exceptionally good, full marks to the cook, and the dietitian, Miss Mahima, took extra effort in explaining me that what would be nice for me and what needs to be avoided in my diet, and she took extra care of me. The physiotherapist, I was required to exercise and do some yoga. I wish all the very best to Dr. Deepak Choudhary and his staff, and thank you very much.